Hi everyone, it's Charlotte from Pictory and today I'm going to be showing you how to use colour overlays. Colour overlay is a brand new feature in Pictory that allows you to add more colour consistency across your whole videos. So let's check it out. The first thing you're going to need to do is open an existing project you want to edit or one you are currently working on. To access colour overlay, click on the visual, which will then make this bar of icons appear. Click the paintbrush, which is colour overlay. The feature will then pop up on this left hand side. We've got pre-made colours you can choose from. Black is great if you want a dark and sophisticated look that will make your text pop. We also have grey and white too, and our Pictory purple. If you want to create your own colour, click on this plus button and then you can use the bar at the bottom or the colour picker. Colour overlay is a tool you can use to add a colour across one scene or your whole video. Colour overlays allow your videos to have more consistency using your brand colours. For this video, I've selected visuals of the same style that include hints of blue, so I'm going to try a dark blue overlay. You can also change the opacity as well. So I'm going to keep mine at 45%. If you scroll down, you've got some actions, so colour overlay style and bulk apply. For bulk apply, you can add that to background visuals or visual layers, or you can apply it to just one scene or all scenes. So I've clicked on all scenes, and then here you can see that the blue tint, the blue colour overlay, has been added to all of the scenes, and already you can see how this creates a consistent look throughout your video. So I'm going to click back onto the plus icon and I'm going to see how another colour would look. So I'm going to choose a darker kind of yellow. The reason why I'm choosing this colour is it will create a softer look instead of a cold look, so it's going to have a warm feel to the video instead of a cold feel. So I've clicked apply, and already you can see how that's changed again. So you always need to make sure that you are selecting the visual to be able to access the colour overlay. So to get rid of the colour overlay, click on the remove one and then bulk apply, and then that will then remove the colour overlay across your whole video if you then decide that you don't really want to use that. Colour overlays is another tool that we've provided to give you more creative freedom across your whole videos. If this tutorial was helpful, please like, subscribe or drop us a comment below.